Welcome back to Wander and Invest. In this series, we're diving deep into mastering debt management, giving you the tools to crush debt and build wealth. In today's video, we'll explore two proven strategies to pay off debt faster: the Snowball Method and the Avalanche Method. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Before we get started, the content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is based on my personal experiences and research. This information is not financial advice. Please consult a financial professional for advice tailored to your unique situation. The Snowball Method focuses on momentum. You start by paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates, while making minimum payments on the rest. Let's meet Jane. Jane has 3 debts: a $500 credit card, a $3,000 car loan, and a $10,000 student loan. Using the Snowball Method, she'll first focus on the $500 card. Once that's paid off, she'll take the money she was using for the card and apply it to her car loan, creating a snowball effect. List debts by balance size, smallest to largest. Pay the minimum on all debts except the smallest. Use any extra money to tackle the smallest debt. The Avalanche Method targets high-interest debt first, saving you money in the long run. You'll make minimum payments on all debts while aggressively paying off the one with the highest interest rate. Meet John. He has $8,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest, $15,000 in student loans at 6%, and a $20,000 car loan at 4%. With the Avalanche Method, John focuses on his credit card debt first since it has the highest interest, saving him thousands in the long term. List debts by interest rate, highest to lowest. Pay the minimum on all debts except the one with the highest rate. Use all extra funds to pay off the highest interest debt. Both the Snowball Method and the Avalanche Method are effective strategies for eliminating debt, but the one that's right for you depends on your goals and personality. Let's break down the pros and cons of each approach. If you're someone who gets motivated by quick wins and seeing progress early on, the Snowball Method might be the perfect fit for you. Paying off smaller debts first gives you a sense of accomplishment, which can keep you motivated to tackle the bigger debts. However, while the Snowball Method is great for building momentum, it doesn't always save you the most money over time because it doesn't focus on interest rates. On the other hand, the Avalanche Method is ideal if your priority is saving money on interest. By focusing on high-interest debts first, you'll pay less in the long run. But the Avalanche Method requires more discipline, as it may take longer to see tangible progress, which could be challenging if you need early wins to stay motivated. Ultimately, the best method is the one you're most likely to stick with. Whether you choose the Snowball or Avalanche Method, consistency is what will get you to your goal. Here's how to decide which method is best for you. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, go with the Snowball Method. If you prefer to save more money over time, the Avalanche Method might be your best bet. Analyze your debt list. Evaluate your financial personality. Do quick wins motivate you, or are you driven by saving money? Commit to a method and track progress with a budgeting tool or spreadsheet. Now you know the 2 most effective debt repayment methods. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, the key isn't just choosing the method, it's staying consistent and committed to your plan. Like, share, and subscribe to Wander and Invest so you won't miss the next video, where we'll unlock the power of velocity banking to accelerate your debt-free journey.